Tonight here at 6 o'clock, reaction is coming in to the Federal Appeals Court, U.S. Court of Appeals decision today to uphold the block on Iowa's new immigration law. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us here tonight. Your News Live at 6 o'clock. I'm Ron Steele. As I mentioned earlier, Elizabeth is off this week. She'll be back on Monday. The new Iowa law would make it illegal for people to be in Iowa after they have been deported or even authorized to be in the United States. KWWO reporter Tara Konechny live for us tonight in Dubuque to tell us more about what's going on.
Yeah, this law was originally passed in the 2024 legislative session, but was quickly blocked by the courts after. Today, the U.S. Court of Appeals upheld that block on SF 2340, saying it should remain on hold while litigation continues. The American Civil Liberties Union of Iowa says the law conflicted with federal law and would cause trouble for undocumented immigrants in Iowa, including children. We spoke to the ACLU today on what the law would mean if it were enacted.
Supporters say, oh, it's just a criminal reentry bill, right? We're just going to get people who have tried to get in here into our state before, and we're going to nab them now and deport them. But it does much, much more than that. Basically, the way the law is written, even if somebody has legal status now, if once they did enter the state illegally, but they went through all the processes, all the procedures, and now they're here illegally, they could still be deported.
The ACLU also says that local law enforcement would be responsible for enforcing this law, even though ICE is the immigration law enforcer. Fowler says that law enforcement agencies like Des Moines have spoken out against the bill due to the workload they already have. The ACLU of Iowa says it's still unclear on what's next with this bill, but for now it is still blocked. Live in Dubuque, Tara Konechny, News 7 KWWL.
All right, Tara, thanks for the update tonight. Now, Iowa Attorney General Brenna Bird also responding to that federal court ruling today. Brenna Bird saying in part, quote, Iowa stood strong against the Biden-Harris border invasion that made every state a border state. She went on to write, as President Trump works nationally to fix the mess created on the southern border, we will continue fighting in Iowa to defend our laws and keep families safe. That